part one anonymous man, anonymous, a correcting me kind of person is gonna try and put on a U-lock across his belly. Take one.
Clean.
Take off the shirt. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, that looks painful. Oh man, don't breathe. Oh my god. Holy crap. Don't hurt yourself.
Look like he's trying to cough his
I
face.
know. I'm trying to piss myself.
Mike, don't make him laugh. Don't make him laugh.
I'm trying not.
There's vital organs there.
I laugh like
Pull up
Mother
your
Goose.
shirt.
Yeah, pull up the shirt. It's trying. The hair is getting in there.
Oh.
Holy crap, that's gonna pinch. That is gonna pinch right there.
So lockable.
Yeah, you can lock that.
Oh no, don't lock it.
Oh my
You
god.
have to have the key in to lock it.
Yeah, you gotta have the key in. He's gonna need some help. Wow. It's just like being in the Holocaust. This is how they held you. Locked at the bike racks. Oh my god. Now lock her up. It's in. Now you just lock it. Now lift up the shirt. And turn around.
Spin.
Oh my god. Okay, now from the side angle. Look at that. Holy shit. Okay, take it off. That looks like, makes your ass look huge. It goes like this and oh man, that looks painful. Oh man, just take it all off. Rip it right off there.
Oh yeah, right.
No, I guess it would hurt too much. Man,
friction.
good thing you didn't eat very much. You're forcing shit out both ways. Holy crap. Oh my god.
Woo!
That is amazing. Take a bow. Take a bow. That's bowing right there. Holy shit.